In this video, I just wanted to show you guys some different ways you can assign values to multiple variables. Let's say I had three variables, x, y, and z, and I wanted to assign the value 5 to each of these variables. I could write it like this: x is equal to 5, y is equal to 5, and z is equal to 5. But there is an easier way of doing that. I could simply just write x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to 5. These two pieces of code mean the same thing, and they're both right, except that the second one is easier and faster. Here's another such idea. Let's say I wanted to create three variables called food1, food2, and food3, and I wanted to assign the values cookie, pie, and pancake to each of those variables respectively. I could write the code like this: food1 is equal to cookie, food2 is equal to pie, food3 is equal to pancake. However, I could also write the code this way: food1, food2, food3 is equal to cookie, pie, pancake. Again, these two pieces of code mean the same thing. So, these are two ideas that show you easier ways of assigning multiple variables to multiple values. Feel free to play around with these two concepts and write your own code to try it out.